These are my cellular shades, and I'm going to tell you why they're so much better, because these are 2-in-1. The bottom part is a blackout, and the top part is light filtering privacy. And it's very durable, as you can see. So the middle part here has 2 handles, and I can move this down to have complete light coming into the bedroom, or and then this also will just give me privacy. I can see outside, but people can't see in, which is fantastic for a bedroom. I still want the light in here, but at night, or if it gets too sunny, which this is west facing, so mid-afternoon, there's a lot of sun coming in here. In the summertime, I don't want my room flooded with sun and too hot, so I'm gonna put this up. And of course at night as well. So there you go. I've owned these for 5 years. They're still in great shape. They're getting lots of sun on this side. Still fantastic shape. No problems with these at all. And then in the middle, you have this plastic bar here where you have your 2 handles. And you can tell the top material is kind of like a nylon. It's very rigid. It's also a privacy shade. Filters the sun in. These are complete dark blackout, this bottom. So this is wonderful because you have 2-in-1. I'll move this all the way to the top. I can move this down even further, and you can see how dark it is in the room. Fantastic to sleep in. Alexa, turn on master. Okay. So now I've lit the room. This is what it's like at night. Obviously even a little darker, but this does a completely fantastic job getting all the light from outside out, keeping the sun out of the room, keeping the room cool. I highly recommend it. If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos. And also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.